Hello and welcome to our DrKumo Table Talk Series. In this video, we'll be talking about the benefits of remote patient monitoring for patients with hypertension. We'll be discussing the role of remote patient monitoring in the management of high blood pressure and how this technology can help improve patient outcomes, reduce the workload for doctors, and improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the healthcare system. We'll be joined today by Dr. Doe, who will provide valuable insights and information on this topic. So if you're interested in learning more about remote patient monitoring and its potential impact on the management of hypertension, please stay tuned and enjoy this video. Thanks so much for being here, Dr. Doe. To start off, can you tell us a little bit about hypertension and what causes it?
Hypertension, or high blood pressure, means the pressure of blood against the walls of the artery is too high. This can lead to various health problems such as heart disease and stroke. The exact cause of hypertension is often not clear, but there are several factors that can increase your risk, such as being overweight, having a high sodium diet, not getting enough physical activity, and smoking.
Can you tell us about the symptoms of hypertension?
Very commonly, hypertension has no symptoms and is only discovered during a routine checkup. But in some cases, people may have headaches, dizziness, or nosebleeds.
And how is hypertension treated?
So there are several medications that can be used to treat hypertension, such as diuretics, beta blockers, and ACE inhibitors. In addition to medication, lifestyle changes such as maintaining a healthy diet and regular exercise can also help to lower blood pressure.
That's really good to know. How can remote patient monitoring be beneficial for patients with hypertension?
So remote patient monitoring can allow doctors to monitor the patient's blood pressure, heart rate, and other vital signs remotely, which can help identify potential problems and intervene in a more timely manner. This can help to improve patient outcomes and reduce the risk of complications.
What about the doctors? How does remote patient monitoring benefit them?
Well, for us doctors, remote patient monitoring allows doctors to monitor their patients' vital signs and other health indicators in an ongoing basis, which can provide valuable insight into their health status. This can help doctors identify potential problems earlier and make timely interventions, which can prevent complications and improve patient outcomes.
Great. Can you give us an example of how remote patient monitoring can be used in the management of hypertension?
Sure. Imagine a hypertensive patient sitting at home taking their blood pressure with the remote patient monitoring blood pressure device. If the device detects that the patient's blood pressure is consistently higher than normal, the doctor can be alerted and take actions such as adjusting the patient's medication or providing additional education and support. This can help to prevent the development of more serious health problems such as heart disease or stroke.
That's amazing. That's a really great tool to have. How else can remote patient monitoring be beneficial for doctors who manage the health conditions of their patients?
Remote patient monitoring can provide valuable support for doctors by giving them real-time access to their patients' health data. This can help doctors to make more informed decisions about their patients' care and treatment, and can also help them to identify potential problems earlier and take timely action to prevent complications. In addition, remote patient monitoring can help reduce the workload for doctors by automating the collection and analysis of health data, which can free up more time for them to focus on other important tasks.
So to continue the discussion, can you tell us more about the potential impact of remote patient monitoring on the overall healthcare system?
Sure. One of the main potential benefits of remote patient monitoring is that it can help to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the healthcare system. By providing doctors with real-time access to their patients' health data, remote patient monitoring can help reduce the need for unnecessary hospital admissions and other costly interventions. This can help save time and money and can also help to improve the overall quality of care that patients receive.
Could you give us an example of how remote patient monitoring can help improve the efficiency of the healthcare system?
Sure. For example, let's say a patient with hypertension is using a remote monitoring device to track their blood pressure at home. If the device detects that the patient's blood pressure is consistently higher than normal, the doctor can be alerted and take action, such as adjusting the patient's medication or providing additional education and support. This can help to prevent the development of more serious health problems, such as heart disease or stroke, which would otherwise require a hospital admission or other costly interventions. By providing doctors with real-time access to their patients' health data, remote patient monitoring can help reduce the need for these type of interventions and improve the overall efficiency of the healthcare system.
And how can remote patient monitoring help improve the quality of care that patients receive?
Well, by providing doctors with real-time access to their patients' health data, remote patient monitoring can help to improve the quality of care that patients receive in several ways. For example, it can help doctors to identify potential health problems earlier and take timely action to prevent complications, which can improve patient outcomes. In addition, remote patient monitoring can help to reduce the workload for doctors and other healthcare providers, which can free up more time for them to focus on providing high-quality care for their patients. All of these factors can help to improve the overall quality of care that patients receive.
Well, that was incredibly interesting and so informative. Thank you again for sharing your expertise with us today, Dr. Doe.
You're welcome. It's been my pleasure to speak with you, and I hope that our discussion has provided some valuable insights into the potential benefits of remote patient monitoring for patients with hypertension and the overall healthcare system.
That's all the time we have for today, but thank you again so much. I hope that our discussion has provided valuable information about the benefits of remote patient monitoring for patients with hypertension and the overall healthcare system. If you found this discussion helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest developments in remote patient monitoring and other healthcare technology. Thank you for watching. I'm Nicole Soper with DrKumo. See you next time.